Hello everyone, Dr. West and Bart. I'm excited to tell you guys about this story because when I walked in, I said, man, I think I should know you. And he's like, well, hey, you took care of me so long ago. It was back basically in 2006. He had some pain. I'm going to let him tell the story. But this is the neat thing about regenerative injection therapy is because it fixes things. It just doesn't hide symptoms. So Bart, tell him what it was like when you first came in and how long ago it was.
Well, it was 2005. I'm a fishing guide. At that point, I had rowed a boat for about probably 10 years, 12 years. I'm sorry. And my elbows were so bad that I couldn't sleep. I had to be in a recliner like this. I couldn't, my elbows were just terrible. I thought I was done. I thought my fishing career was over. A friend of mine referred me to Dr. West, and I came down here and he put 2 injections in my left and 1, I think, in my right, and I've never had a problem since.
And that's been almost 15 years.
Almost 15 years.
So when you put those building blocks into the area, it makes it heal. And now Bart's here for something totally different. It was just fun coming in the room and he'd say like, hey, just fix my shoulder just like you fixed my elbows and I'll see you in another 15 years.
That's right. That'll be great.
Anyway, so that's a neat story of how long Prolozone lasts. This is Dr. West and Bart. We'll see you guys on the next video.